Imagine you've spent your whole life chained in a dark cave, only seeing shadows on a wall. That's your reality. Now, what if someone freed you and dragged you into the sunlight? Mind-blowing, right? That's Plato's Allegory of the Cave. It's about breaking free from illusions and seeing the world as it truly is. Here's the twist. When you go back to tell your cave buddies about the real world, they think you're crazy. They're comfortable with their shadow reality. So, next time you think you've got it all figured out, ask yourself, am I seeing the real deal or just shadows on a wall? Are you ready to step into the light?